Do you like card games? And do you like programming? If the answer is yes, then you're in luck, because we merged them. Since all of you only have an attention span of 10 seconds, in short, CodeCardCodingCards is a JavaScript card game where you create shitty code to fulfill shitty tasks.
Just like my real job, Benny.
But now you can do it with friends and with cards.
There are two types of cards, task cards and code cards. Task cards are cards with tasks on them, which you should try to fulfill to win the game. Code cards are cards with code on them, which you use to construct your code to fulfill your tasks. Code cards also has a closing bracket on the backside, which you use to close opening brackets, because code needs closing brackets, and we don't know Python.
So Richard, do you need to be an expert in JavaScript to play this game?
No, actually, there are two different game modes. One simpler, where you only have to have basic programming knowledge in any language. It's still JavaScript specific, but any developer should be able to pick it up pretty quickly. And one expert mode, which requires some knowledge about scopes and functions.
So, is this game good for people that don't know any programming but wants to learn?
No, don't buy this game if you don't know programming. You won't have fun.
This sounds great, but how do you actually play the game?
The game basically works like this. The player that made the latest Git commit, either at work or hobby project, starts the first game round by placing a code card on the table in front of you. You then take turn at placing code cards under each other, so you together build a single line of code while trying to fulfill different tasks. It can get pretty messy. Think of it like pair programming, but you hate each other and you're trying to complete different tasks. First player to fulfill a task wins the round.
So this is the basic idea of the game. I'm Benny.
And I'm Richard.
We are two soft developers from Sweden that met while studying at university. We love programming and do it for a living, and also as a hobby. We also love card games. So why not have a card game that is also programming? That is why we spent the last 6 months resolving all merge conflicts in this game. And now we need your help to make this game a reality. Because let's face it, coding is the only thing you know, and you need to improve your social skills.
Benny, did you know we also have a small YouTube channel where we post simple JavaScript tutorials? And we'll start posting regular updates about this Kickstarter and other future projects. You can also follow us on Twitter.